Just got home from work. Picked up a 1978 Civic 1200 yesterday. I bought it to be a parts car, but I got there. I bought it sight unseen because I thought I was going to get the doors off of it. And it ended up being a super solid car, and I got the motor freed up last night. I got the starting fluid on the way home. We're going to see if I can take the jump box there and see if we can get it hit off. We'll see what happens. Okay, 3 coils down and some troubleshooting, and I think we've got spark now. I think all the points and everything are seized up inside the distributor. I'm adding power to the hot side of the coil. I'm about to see what happens. Alright guys, this thing freaking runs. We'll get some more starting fluid in it. Let's see if we can get it going. I call that a victory. Alright, I'm about to clean up and call it a night. We got it running. It had no fuel line hooked up to it. I didn't want to put a bunch of dirty trash in the car, but got it running on starting fluid. 3 coils later, some oil and some starting fluid, and I had to mess with the point some in the distributor. I think everything was seized up in there, but we'll go from there. I need to get some fresh gas in the tank. I'm pretty sure the mechanical fuel pump's going because I got some nasty trash in the jug here off the fuel line, and I'm gonna try to clean the tank out, put some gas, see if I can get the idle on its own. I know this carburetor is junk, but I've got a Weber 3236 over there on my toolbox that came off my previous car, and we'll go from there. Everyone have a good night.